Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are now starting the celebration of March 1985.
All you have to do is say, don't you satisfy everything in me? We shouldn't waste a single day. So don't stop before then. It's destiny calling, a power I just can't deny. It's never changing. Can't you hear me? I'm saying I want you for the rest of my life. Together forever and never to part. Together forever we two. And don't you know I would move heaven and earth to be together forever with you. Together forever and never to part. Together forever we two. And don't you know I would move heaven and earth to be together forever with you. Together forever and never to part. Together forever we two.
If there's
Siya po yung nag-decision maker, siya po yung nag-approve ng mga suggestions, ng mga requests. Yan po, yung ating batang-batang si Rosano Trias. Yeah!
Salamat po at nakarating tayo kahit po may bumabagyo at kahit malakas ang ulan, hindi tayo napigilan. Kasi mas 85 nga tayo eh. Bagyo lang siya. But 85 tayo kaya matibay tayo.
together forever and never to part. Together forever we two. And don't you know I will move heaven and earth to be together
So ano tayo? 48 Ruby reunion ng Batch 85. So karamihan sa atin 57 years old, 58 years old, batang-bata. Masayang-masaya po kaming lahat ng committee. At siyempre, mas masaya kayong lahat dahil nagkita-kita tayo. Kasama na rin po ang ating mga guro. Ito po, sana hindi ko makakalimutan, pakikilala ko lahat ng guro. Pag tinawag ko po ang inyong pangalan, pumunta lang po kayo sa labas. Sa harapan. Okay po, start na natin po. Guidance counselor natin. Salamat po at nakarating tayo lahat kahit mabagyo at umuulan.
together forever we two. And don't you know I will move heaven and earth to be together forever with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Dahil po sa committee ko, nabigyan ko ng flowers ang mga teacher, ibigyan ko naman siyempre ng flowers ang committee ko. Di ba po? Kasi ganyan ka-sweet si Sunny Trias. Kaya nga diabetes. Ranges guiding ideas younger. Palakpakan po tayo lahat.